Online retailers have put tremendous pressure on retail stores, but let's be candid for a moment. Who's really to blame for this situation? Amazon? Maybe. But if you're only going to blame your hard times on somebody else, then you're going to give up completely on your own ability to improve your situation. I say focus on what you can do to craft a better in-store experience, and then play to your strengths. After all, Amazon and other online competitors can't do that. Now I want you to picture this disastrous retail shopping scenario. Bill walks into one of your retail stores. He searched for your location online, decided to leave his home, traveled far to reach your store, braved bad weather and congested traffic. He invested his time to give you the opportunity to get his business. But when he walks into your store, nobody pays attention to him. If greeted at all, the welcome he experiences is as robotic as, "Can I help you?" The sales ambassadors are working, doing the menial tasks necessary to keep your store running smoothly, but not engaging with Bill. Bill looks around and sees somebody packing merchandise away, or someone doing administrative work. Another is just staring into a monitor. Necessary task perhaps, but completely misguided approach at the moment Bill needs them. Now Bill wonders, well, why did I go through all this effort to come here for little more than a warehouse experience? Bill leaves the store without buying anything, having lingering thoughts on how they made him feel. And at that moment, the value of your brand, regardless of your luxurious displays in store, just became worthless. How many sales that you should have made walked out your front doors today? This shouldn't be your story. It doesn't have to be. You're offering bespoke merchandise, the very best, but it can't sell itself. You need sales ambassadors who know how to bring the best of the artisan's workshop onto the sales floor so that your stores are not just glorified showrooms. Instead, they're places where shoppers feel they matter, because people who feel they matter buy, and those that don't walk. Your sales ambassadors need to spot every opportunity to engage with the customer. Knowing the psychology of the shopping experience and how best to interact with customers, your associates will be able to create an exceptional shopping experience. The story behind your luxury items becomes meaningful to your client during this in-store experience. Otherwise, it's just another watch, another necklace, another pair of sunglasses. Your store is the only place your ambassadors can interact face-to-face, creating an emotional connection with clients like Bill right on your sales floor. Because your sales floor is the bullseye of your brand. Hi, I'm Bob Phibbs, the founder of SALESRX. If you represent a luxury brand, I invite you to book a call to discuss how I can help your store teams engage skillfully with customers and create that unforgettable in-person shopping experience. SALESRX is my online retail sales training program that teaches your ambassadors everything they need to know to revamp their customer engagement and drive up your sales. In-person retail shopping isn't dead, but ignoring the customer should be. Book a call now. I look forward to speaking.